Hello everyone, this is Bhargav Kumar Koya, the data engineer working at Kaarvi. So today I'm going to demonstrate about the data ingestion module in our Kaarvi platform. So as you can see here, I'll walk you through the data ingestion module, which serves as a basically the foundation for bringing the data into the platform. And the module is designed to support multiple ingestion methods while keeping the experience simple, consistent, and scalable. So on the left hand side, as you see here on the navigation, we access the data ingestion section. And the ingestion is basically organized into four source types. One is files, the other is database, the other one is API, and the last one is cloud storage. So this unified structure basically ensures that the users can ingest data from virtually any source using the familiar workflow. So to start with, I'll start with the upload from the data files, upload through the data files. So in here, users can upload the data files directly into the platform using a simple drag and drop interface, as you see. So this is my local, and I'm gonna simply choose a data set and drag and drop into the upload data files and simply have it available over the platform. And that is one way, or also you can like browse through your local and also choose the right file for you to upload and simply click on upload CSV. That gives you the information about that particular file that you have uploaded. Right now it says it has 10,000 rows, and here you can see all the information about every individual column that you have in that particular table. And also you can choose the right data type of that particular column accordingly, and also you can preview the whole data that is available in that particular table that you have right just uploaded. As you see here, since it's a very large data set of 10,000 records and has many number of columns, so we have that capability to scroll through all the columns and all the records in one single pagination. So as you see, if when I keep scrolling, the records keep loading, and it's not even slow. It's very fast and quick. So right now I have loaded until 500-ish number of records, and if I keep scrolling, I'll be able to see all the 10,000 records in that particular table. So once the file is uploaded, the ingestion process is automatically triggered, and the dataset becomes available for downstream profiling, quality checks, and also the insights. Mm, so right now I'm just gonna click cancel here instead of saving it to the catalog. Once I save it to the catalog, it will be available in our smart catalog in the data insights module, and you'll be able to do all the quality checks, data profiling of that particular table. And also on here on the right hand side, if you can see, users will be able to see a list of recent ingestions, which includes the file name and also the row count of that particular file and its ingestion status, and providing the quick visibility into the ingestion history. Also, if you don't want to know this information, you can simply collapse that. And next up, we are going to look at the data ingestion module. So users can begin by creating the new database connection here by simply clicking on new connection. And so this has a wide range of database. I mean, the platform supports a wide range of databases, which includes Postgres, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, SQLite, Redis, MongoDB, Snowflake, etc. So basically this ensures the capability, I mean the compatibility with both transactional and analytical data sources. So after selecting the database type, users provide the required connection details such as host, host information, port, default port, values are automatically populated based on the selected database, as you see. And by reducing the manual, that reduces the manual configuration effort. So once the connection is established, it can be reused across multiple ingestion jobs, making the database onboarding both efficient and scalable. So I'm gonna quickly demonstrate an established connection that we already have over here. So as you see, we have already established a connection to our Kaarvi database here, and which is Postgres database basically. And I'm gonna quickly uh, ingest this particular table into the Kaarvi database. I'm sorry, into the Kaarvi platform. So as you see, once I clicked on the preview, as you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the information of that particular table, just like we had it in the file upload, data upload type. So as you see, we get all the column names here, its data type. We can also choose the data type as you did in the file upload, and it also gives that its data type on the database. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to go through all the number of all the data that this particular table has here. And you can also scroll through all the columns that are in that particular table. And if you scroll down, if you scroll here, you can simply click on the import button, and it simply keeps the ingests the data into the data smart catalog that will be in the data insights, which I'll be covering later part of this video. And that's one way to ingest the data. And here we also have an other way, as you see, where you can write a simple SQL query to retrieve the data. I'm gonna copy this table name here and simply click on preview, and boom, it previews the whole date table with all the records in it and all the columns in it. And if the user is really good with SQL, they can also play around with SQL here and retrieve the data out of it. For example, let's also do a quick query check here. I'm gonna use this column name and arrange all the columns in descending order using the SQL query here. Preview. Okay, let's see. So as you see, I've arranged the whole data set in descending order according to the temperature flow column. So according to this, or according to the descending order of this particular column, the whole data set is being changed and being displayed. So that's how you basically use the SQL query method in the database ingestion. And now let's go back to the rest of the data ingestion types. Now we are looking at the API connection. The API ingestion option enables users to ingest the data directly from the external services and endpoints. Here, users can configure the API connection, and as you see here, they can simply configure the API connection by defining the endpoint URL and request method and other required parameters. This allows the seamless ingestion of data from REST-based APIs. Configured APIs are listed clearly, making it easy to manage. Uh, you know Making it easy to manage or reuse or remove the connections as needed. This approach is especially used for ingesting the real-time or periodically updated data from the third-party systems, public APIs, or internal services. Next up, we have cloud storage ingestion. Finally, we have cloud storage ingestion. This option allows the users to connect directly to the cloud based storage providers. In this example, we can see a connection that is already being established with Azure blob storage. Users can securely configure connections and ingest the data directly from specified buckets or containers. So once connected, cloud storage sources behave just like other ingestion options that we have just checked out, enabling consistent downstream process and governance. Uh, so so the design and usability emphasis, the design, the data ingestion module is designed with usability in mind. The whole data ingestion module of the Kaarvi platform, clear visual cues, guided actions, and consistent layouts ensure that both a technical and a non-technical users can onboard data with confidence. And in summary, the data ingestion module provides a unified and flexible way to bring data into the platform from files, databases, APIs, and cloud storages. This creates a strong foundation for data quality, profiling, governance, and analytics across the entire data lifecycle. That's about the data ingestion platform on Kaarvi. And thank you.